Good morning, good morning, good morning. Woo! It's another day. It's another dawn. You guys, I got a new chair. Got in the mail, put it together yesterday. Woo, woo. I'm excited. Like, I'm about to be unstoppable. New chair, new year. How's everybody doing today? We're having a lot of fun today. We actually have a giveaway later in the show. We're giving away 3 Apex funding accounts. What's cool about this is that you'll get to choose whichever account you want, whether you want the 50K, whether you want the 150K, whether you want the 300K, whether you want the static. Up to you. Up to you if you want Trade-Evade or Rhythmic, etc. So today's going to be kind of fun because I put out a poll on Twitter and I was like, hey, should I try out this, like, the pass in one day and, like, the 80% off sale at Apex? Like, let's just see how many we can pass in a day or whatever. Like, they're like $30 for the 50Ks, right? And I mean, I put the 2 polls up. It was either YOLO do it or no, be conservative. We all know who won the poll there. YOLO won the poll. So good morning, everyone. So, but the first thing that I want to get to real quick is the members giveaway, right? So I said it would be the first 50 members of the Bagel Club would get entered in a giveaway for 5 My Funded Futures eval accounts, okay? 50K expert, and that has no activation fee. And yeah, we're gonna do more giveaways in the future, and we're doing another one today anyway, so let's get started right away with that just real quick. Okay, so right here I'm going to just do random number generator of the first 50 people. We're just going to do 5 numbers. 2. So Emily, I have the channels of it here, but like what I want you guys to do is essentially just I want the winner. I'll say it again at the end, but I want the winner, the member that wins this. I just need you to email me tanya@tanyatrades.com with like a little screen recording of your channel to prove it's you. Okay, I have to like refresh this, just one moment. But Emily won. That's number 2. I'm gonna write that in my notebook as well. Just real quick. Okay. Number 2. Who's next? 21. Congratulations, Mike Goda. 7. Ace Ventura. Cool name. Congrats. 2 more. 26. And we're going to do an Apex giveaway as well later today. So we're doing kind of 2 giveaways. 21. 21 won again. How funny is that? I have to do another one. Can't win twice. 17. Rangomo. Okay, so if you won, congrats. Again, email me with like a video screen recording that showing that's your channel. I do have the channel links here, so I'll double check. And then also email me your My Funded Futures email on that account. So yeah, congrats to the winners. We're gonna do another giveaway at around 10 o'clock. We'll do the Apex giveaway. Okay. But yeah, let's see how this goes today. We have 10 minutes until open. Oh, what a day yesterday. It wasn't the best day for me. So I think like what's also good about this is like, okay, I'm taking like a break of my funded futures account for like a day. I'm gonna do these Apex things and just like recalibrate, because like one thing is like I did pass one in one trade yesterday for the afternoon short, so I do not want to trade on that yet because I feel like I'm just going to be impulsive on it. So I'm going to save that and make sure like for another day, I'm going to wait like 24 hours to trade on the funded. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy that funded with that eval I'm in drawdown in and be conservative in that. But not today. Today we're going to be a little crazy, right? We're going to go a little crazy, but I will put out a form real quick on how to, so you guys can get started on the, how would you say, Apex giveaway. And welcome, Nacho. You are now a moderator. Yeah, let's stock the setups. Okay, well, we can do, yes, 10 a.m. is kind of like a weird time. We can do it at 10:30. Yeah, 10:30 we'll do that's a good idea. I believe Mentality Man said that. Yeah, our bias was correct yesterday, so we have, let's check it out. Let's check it out, shall we? Let's check out Dixie first. EXY. The monthly, we're going to the monthly fair value gap in my opinion. I believe this is buy side. Right, we completely violated this fair value gap now. I believe we're going up here. Right, it was so weird yesterday because like such a bullish day on DXY. And you know, morning was weird. I got caught up. I was on the wrong side of that silver bullet trade, but whatever. We move on. We didn't blow up an account, so. All right, let's do a little poll though. Like, you guys think it's up or down for the morning? You know what? I saw that it dropped overnight as well. I saw NQ had a nice drop overnight. It's kind of annoying. Okay. Okay. So DXY is heading up. It's above this daily fair value gap now. It's just grinding up and up. I don't need this anymore. Okay. I mean, we know this is where I think it's heading to. But is there any speed bump along the way? This is where a 4-hour fair value gap completely closes, so. Okay. Let's do a little poll before the open real quick and we'll see up or down. Oh, it's only 9:24. 9:25, okay. Looks like YM's stronger, sister. We had 8:30 news already. Oh, yeah. And let me just quickly. Yeah, I like doing giveaways with you guys. It's kind of crazy, like a bunch of companies reaching out. Like I want to like do giveaways, but I'm also like filtering out any companies, like, okay, like these are companies I've actually traded myself on before and I've had accounts on before. So the ones that I trust. Okay, and then let's see what else. Hello, Tanya Banana. Hello, good morning, everyone. Yeah, give the video a like, and we'll do more giveaways in the future. Saudi YouTube, we did giveaway for the members already at the beginning. So if you're a member, go to the beginning of the video. Yeah, like I put that out right at the beginning. All right, thanks, Curtis. Yeah, it's helpful when you guys use my code because, like, you know, helps the channel out. I do earn a percentage, a commission, and then I can buy a chair. Bought a chair, and I use it, you know, buy a mic, things like that. Hey, freezes refrigerator, so funny. Okay, so you guys are 50-50 on up and down. Okay. Okay, I marked out yesterday's low on NQ. Let me think. Yeah, give the video a like, and you know, then I'll definitely do more giveaways in the future. I mean, we actually have a few more planning out. And let me see. Okay, DXY NQ 4 out. Looking bearish, honestly, to me. And then the DXY is bullish, so. Yesterday was weird, yeah. But hey, you can just manage your risk, and that's it. And I don't mind taking losses in front of people either. Gotta show reality. Like that's my thing. That's my like channel description, right? And like I show the realities of trading. It's like you're not gonna be right every time. Okay. It matters like how you treat that like loss, you know? How are you reacting to that loss? Are you gonna let it break you, or are you gonna let it like just roll off your back? You know? Anyway, let me see, let me set up a new like tool for the long and short for just Apex. I just like literally we're gonna either like pass or fail in one try. You have a drawdown of 2,500 and your profit target is 3,000. The thing about Apex is that it does intraday drawdown, so you better take your profits, or else if it comes back to break even, you can fail the account. So if you're not quick enough, so 2,500 is a drawdown, risk 100. Yeah, save as Apex. Okay, looks like we're opening. It's the short. Long. Yep, that's what we're gonna do. Okay, so yesterday's low is here. What is this? Is like the overnight London low on the 4 hour. I'm just looking at this fair value gap, like we came back. Okay. It's interesting how it's 50-50 up and down. Okay. How many Apex accounts did I buy? A bunch, because they're like $33. Might as well. And I think I'm gonna copy trade like 3 at a time or 2 at a time. I think I bought like 8 of them at least. We might do it for like the next couple days. Um, I kind of find it fun. I think it's good practice. Um, you know, let me see, 1, 2, 3, 4. Literally don't know. I was just practicing the copy trading. So let me see. This is how many I got. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 for now. Like copy trade 3 or 4 at a time. So it looks like we're heading lower. Okay. So okay. Damn it. Okay. That's just like the little soup, the little manipulation to open and then just drop down, completely drop. We closed below the CE of the daily fair value gap. Okay, I think there's sell side right here. It's like the low of a wick. It's rough. Rough when you like, it just dropped how much at open? 50 points in the first 2 minutes, 3 minutes. Sell side here. Watch yes. It's like, where was this, what is that when I was in shorts yesterday, you know? When I watched After Hours, I was like, that's the worst when, you know, I was in some afternoon shorts, right? And, right, I passed one my funded futures account, but then like on a couple other accounts, like I didn't like take profit at the low. I had like a couple of partials and then, you know, I got stopped out in profit, but like would have been nice if we had the continuation lower. But whatever. Sometimes the market's just gonna be like that. Yeah, the up down pull, you can tell that the conditions are low probability. That's interesting. Looks like DXY is screaming higher. So like we had a literally gap down yesterday. Like this little, it's what people would call this gap, right? RTH gap. But we just bloop, and then completely dropped off. CE daily fair value gap, midpoint of the daily fair value gap. Something I had up for a while, but like it's this large one. So it makes sense. We had 3 days, small body candles. It makes sense that today would be a large body candle. It's just too bad that like we have to start the day off like that instead of like it being up here, you know. But it's fine. Yeah, mentality, man. If people are spamming, just put them in timeout for a little bit. Do. Okay. And then that's required. Okay, I'm gonna put up like the giveaway like little poll I want you guys to fill out. Just want to put your first name and your email in. It's tough when that happens, honestly, when it like just drops off at the morning. It's rough. Because like, oh, I'm bearish, so now I'm not gonna take longs, you know? There's sell side over here. Gonna just wait. I'll mark out 10 a.m. No way. ICT is not here. You know, I hope he's not here. Oh my god, good morning. He's here. Okay, cool. Cool. Okay, he's just left. Alright. Oh, so annoying that we like just dropped up at the open. Okay. Okay, link, shorten URL. Okay, you guys, you don't have to spam the chat that much. Okay, let me know if that like link works, by the way. And don't spam right now so I can pin that. Yeah, no pressure, right? I see. Like I said, like I can take an L in front of like 2,000 people, no problem. But the ICT watching is a little different. It's fine. Okay, so fair value gap here on the 4 hour unfortunately happened at like 6 a.m. 7 a.m. So it's fine. We wait for silver bullet. DXY is still bullish. It's retracing. This is retracing. Does the link work, you guys? Okay, cool. It worked. Make sure. Let's see the responses. Okay, 154 responses. Patrick's on vacation or whatever this week. Okay, so 5 minute, 15 minute. It's just totally like, okay, we're already down 1% on the day. Honestly, it's just a continuation, I believe. I'm gonna wait though. Let's wait until 10-ish. Yeah, give the video a like. It's free to like people. Okay, cool. Cool. It's so weird. I mean, we have like this huge gap down. But I mean, like, this is technically yesterday's low. Let me put it here. Sell side right here. Let's see if like something happens today. We already had news at 8:30, right? I don't think there's anything else today. Oh, you know what happened actually at 9 a.m.? Like there were a bunch of Fed speakers. Did you guys see what happened at 11 yesterday for that Fed speaker? The yellow folder news. Like whenever you see Fed speaker and yellow folder, I don't trust it as yellow folder because they can say whatever they want, and then like the market can react however. Yeah. So today at 9 a.m., two FOMC members were speaking. Other than that, there's not much else. I mean, there's a FOMC member, William, speaking at 3 p.m. again today, so careful, everybody. Was anyone long yesterday at like 11 a.m. and then like the happened? What's up, Sir Pickle's in the house? No way. Well, what's up, Pickle? Hi, Sir Pickle. Are you still in Thailand? Okay, hit the sell side here. Right, let's check investing.com as well because someone said that there's also auction at 2 p.m. in the past few days. Yeah, that's been moving in the past couple months. The auction has been moving the market quite a lot. There's nothing for me to enter there, unfortunately. I couldn't get into the shorts, but it's fine. Sometimes you just don't get the entry. Taking the sell side from a few days ago, from Thursday's low. This is the daily fair value gap below. If it like violates this, there's gonna be more downside today. We'll have to see. Quite the reaction right there. Okay, investing.com. Yeah, at 1 p.m. today, 20-year bond auction. Investing.com has it as like moderate, which is better than Forex Factory having it as like yellow. And it has the FOMC members as also like two out of 3 stars, which is more accurate. Okay. Hey Tanya, the 80% discount is for the valuation. By the way, the giveaway, you can use it on whatever account of your choice. If you want a 300k account, go for it. If you want a 50k account, go for it. If you want a static account, go for it. And either Tradeovate or Rhythmic. But we're still bearish. I mean, bullish on DXY. DXY is near the highs of the day. There's no way I'm doing any longs today. Even counter trend, I'm just like not gonna do that. I just don't want to. when DXY is obviously like going for the high of the fair value gap and monthly fair value gap. Let me try to find like where was some like manipulation leg. This during London. Yeah. Okay. So far we're down 1.39% on the day. This sell side kind of lines up with this. 3.5 of this one. To enter the giveaway, click the pinned link. Pinned message. Okay. Just left without me. Oh well. I'm gonna mark out sell side on ES as well. Monday's low. Was it last Monday's low? Yeah. I'm not longing anything for sure. Just have to wait for any kind of short. Perhaps after 10. But DXY is just screaming higher. YM's not really doing much, weirdly enough. Oh, Omar, welcome to the Bagel Club. RY passed their 6th Apex account. Slay, there you go. Cool. I mean, what's cool about Apex is that you can have up to 20 of them, right? So you can like, and what people like is that they're super cheap. For the evaluations, like you still have to pay like a fee, but like they tend to just you know, then you don't have to take the eval as seriously, I guess, and some people like that. See if there's like a it would make sense for it to retrace after hitting like 2 standard deviations from the London manipulation. Or not London, this happened at like 7. See if that matters at all or not. Just tough. It's tough for me because we're in the middle of the expansion. Oh yeah, Nacho. Yeah. What was really cool is that yesterday we opened up the memberships. You get some perks, like you'll get a different color, name. You'll get a badge. And what was so cool is that yesterday someone just like gifted 10 memberships to people. So cool. That's why I say this is the #1 live chat on YouTube, #1 community. I like what? I've never seen that. Someone just gifting 10 memberships. Yeah, NASDAQ is down 1.45% on the day. ES is down 0.8%. Let me check out the Tesla is down 3% on the day so far. So that's your little overview of the market right now. Red. Boeing is like having a tiny bounce, whatever that means. Like, I mean, it's been down like, it's probably down like 12% since that fiasco. Okay, Tesla. All the chips are down. Interesting. Yesterday the chips were like bright green, right? Can you imagine people like swung calls yesterday? I was thinking of like swinging short overnight because I was like, the afternoon was so suspect. Like, why did we just decided to have an SMT divergence in the afternoon and then come, right? ES took this low. We still had these lows for NASDAQ, and then, you know, we had the inverted fair value gap here after ES already took sell side. So when you have a fair value gap above after it takes out sell side, then that can be the start of a shift in structure, and then it turned this into a breaker block. And then just came up in the afternoon, right? Like same thing ES. Let's see what happened for ES, right? Yesterday I was actually watching it. Right? This was yesterday afternoon. Like I showed, it was an SMT here. Inverted fair value gap was the beginning, the low risk buy. And then you had this breaker and fair value gap combo here, which is bodies respected it, and then it had a push up during the last 10 minutes. I was like, why do we have to do that, really? Like, and then just bleed overnight, right? Okay. I think ES is starting to get bought up a little bit. See where the... Right, we have a large gap here. Might be better to take a trade after like 10:30 because we had such a large move overnight. Sometimes it's better to wait like an hour into the open. That's typically what I like to do. Like, you look at the... By the way, if you're just tuning in, the giveaway, the instructions are pinned. YM is above yesterday's low. Let me just mark that out. The top of the 4-hour fair value gap for DXY. I believe it's reaching for this at minimum, and like long term we're going for this. It's not going to happen today, but you know, I'm thinking on the daily, like this is like a failure swing is forming, right? I do think we go for this. January is low. Gotta think about whether I want to swing puts as like a swing play. I have to think about that. Make that decision at the end of the day for my personal account. But yeah, I mean, it still looks. This is weak, you guys. I'm not sure. I'm not longing into this with this happening, right? Like I'll just let it retrace and do whatever it wants. We're watching NASDAQ as well. Okay, so this is a 2.5 standard deviation. It makes sense for it to like stall here or retrace here. We'll see what happens after 10. Okay. 2,161 people watching. What up? Give the video a like. It helps out the channel. Yeah, no, there's no way. I'm explaining why I wouldn't long to like other people who might be thinking longs. You know. Welcome, Captain. Awesome. Nice job, TB. DJ Space? No, I don't. That's funny though. Yeah, um maybe we do get PM Silver Bullet. Like I said, like the open was just, you kind of had to be in the position already, or yeah. Let me just see what happened. Were there any SMDs at the open? Meh, not really. That's fine. Look at DXY going for that. Just running. We'll see what happens here. This is the buy side. But you know, we're above the daily fair value gap. We're closing above it, reaching this. Looking good. Everything is correlated. YM, I don't know what YM. YM is down 0.35, makes sense. Still down. Okay. So NQ is stalling, consolidating here as DXY is reaching its the high of that fair value gap, and this reached some standard deviation. We'll see. You guys check out the pinned message for the giveaway. And yeah. Let's check out the comments. Oh yeah, was anyone like long yesterday when there was the welcome Curtis Epley to the Bagel Club. Welcome, welcome. Alex Tan, I'm planning on waiting until 10 a.m. to see what's happening. I mean, we had like a 100 point drop. But I mean, I do think we can have some continuation as well. It looks like just like low resistance so far. But I'll have to see. No, the giveaway is for all the viewers, so click the pinned comment. Yeah, great job, moderators. I added a couple of moderators, so I know I can't watch the chat all the time, but thank you to the new moderators. Right, so on Apex, someone asked me, would you prefer a full or a static account? Their static account is like 625 drawdown, so if you can work with that, then go ahead. What I did is I bought like a bunch of 50Ks because the drawdown is 2,500 and the target is 3,000, so like that's like the second best ratio they have. The first best is like the 25K for 1,500. Don't lose 1,500 to make 1,500. But I would want more leverage, so that's what I'm just doing. I think 50K is their most common one, and 150K is their second most common. 10:15. Oh, 10 o'clock. It's just 10. I don't know why I have 10 right now. Okay, so it's 10 a.m. I'm gonna turn that off though for the future. It's just dropping. I wouldn't be surprised if it just like melts down. I don't know. Insane. Yeah, I don't know. I mean, I didn't get any entry. What can I do? It's still time. It's 10 a.m. I just see this melting lower. Look how we like broke below this daily fair value gap for Q and retested it. Interesting. Just gonna wait. Right now we tapped the top of the 4-hour fair value gap on Dixie, and ES did not make a new low there, which is weird. EX did not make new low of day yet. Totally can still. Tanya, why don't you enter a long position with 2 micros? I don't know. I'm watching ES right now, and there's an SMT here. NQ made a lower low, ES did not. YM is going up. And you have this, we tapped it, and now we seem to be retracing. So we can. Like I said, I don't like the long idea, but I mean, I'll do it for the show. And I'm gonna get roasted. I'm gonna get roasted so hard. Let's go long on ES for fun on a few of these accounts. It's an SMT. Right now this. Okay. See if this creates a fair value gap or what. First, let's just see that. Why not? Why not? For the show. Alright, I'm just gonna go ahead. What's the, okay, I'm in. Alright, I just bought a bunch. Let's like see, where's the 6, 7? I honestly had a bad entry, but whatever. 4-point stop, whatever. So, honestly, okay, I'm in 4 contracts there, and what we gotta do is how you say, oh, okay, we're up. We gotta be careful now because of the the drawdown. You gotta be quick. You gotta be quick on Apex. Okay, I'm up 538. Really, that's it? Oh, I thought it was gonna copy trade it. Oh, I didn't do it for ES. I set it up for NQ. My bad. Well, so I only have it on 1 account right now, and it did hit that high. It hit it for like a few points. Like I said, like I'm not a scalper, so maybe that was all ES had to offer. Into here. I mean, it now just like made a breaker. This is going lower. It's okay. Let's stay in the trade. Let's stay in the trade. Let's like go wild with it a little bit. Okay, I'm in like 8 contracts. For fun. Alright. I can't let those get to negative 2,500. I have to get to like 3,000. So, see if we get up to here. Yeah. And we have to like, yeah, whatever, it's too late. I can't do the replicante. I'm gonna get like comments saying you're a mess. But not, am I though? Doing okay. Doing okay. Honestly, I wouldn't be surprised if like NQ melts up to here. We'll see. Oops. I'm sorry. I tapped my mic. Where am I supposed to get to? Oh, yeah. Okay. 3,000. I mean, if this gets to like 1,500, that'll be good. Let's let it rip, pump it. I mean, that's the thing why is that I saw this reaction here. That's like I was saying I wasn't gonna go long because it was gunning for this, but here it started to reject. So that's the reasoning why. I was like, okay. By the way, this is NQ. See if we go for this, because this is like where I'm sure a lot of people's stops are. This is why I'm like putting it here too. Okay, so if we already balanced this, shouldn't come back there. Also, I'm like up like honestly, my fill's not bad. Was I in any drawdown really? No. Just gotta be careful now though. You do have to be careful. It's coming back to the daily fair value gap. Where is the whatever? Okay, up 1,000. Just let it rip. Rip it. Everybody. Right now we have like a breaker block here on NQ, by the way. So like buy this up to here, probably. Maybe we can try that on another account as well. NQ on this one, buy the bid. Just buy a bunch of them. I paid $30 for this. I mean, this is what we said we were gonna do today. I asked Twitter, so blame Twitter for my shenanigans today. Don't blame me. Okay. Oh, this is why I said, like, oh man, I told you guys on Twitter, don't show ICT what we're doing today. Oh my god, let's go back to ES. Where are we at? Okay. Be back in 10 seconds. Okay. Alright, so what did I do on the other account? Let's see if I'm like, you know, I'm going counter trend on a big down day right now, so it's tricky, very tricky. But whatever, like the worst case scenario is I lose like $60 from this. I'm probably in drawdown on like the other account right now. Let me put that up for you guys for the entertainment purposes. Okay, I'm in drawdown on the NQ because I don't know how many contracts I went long. I went long like probably like 7 contracts there. And like I'm just gonna let that hit like max drawdown. Like I'm okay with that. What happened with that one? Yeah, I had a bad fill there. Badish, yeah. Doesn't matter though. Like we're in this breaker right now, so I should have like bought lower. It was Russian that one, but whatever. If it's any good, it should explode now. If it's any good, I should like leave this open and be explosive towards here. If it's not, then I fail this easy. Like I don't have much drawdown here right now. It doesn't matter. I'm doing this entertainment today. Entertainment. Right? We got ES here. I got a much better fill. NQ, I was just like, let me just get in on another account because like I couldn't copy trade at the beginning. Awful fill. And like I said, I don't have a stop here because I'm just like, you know, the risk on this is like $30. And we'll see how this trade works out, you guys. If it, then we'll do the giveaway. Okay, it looks like it's working out, like it's bouncing here. I think it should like squeeze up here quickly now. Okay, let's put that open again. Okay, we're back in the green for that other trade. Freaking went like long. I just went long like 8. I can't read the I can't read the chat right now because it's I'm in a couple of trades. This is fun though. I'm having fun. Honestly, I kind of want to go on like another account. Okay, I freaking failed that because it was an awful fill. So I kind of want to just try this other one, but like with less risk. With like a better fill. I don't know why I get stopped at 2,000. I thought it was 2,500. Oh well. Okay, I went long for like 5 NQ. Alright, now we're long 8 NQ again. Oops. Maybe I got a bad fill again. Let me take it off like real quick. Actually, nah. We're good, we're Gucci. You see, like, what I did wrong was get a horrible fill. Right? At that other account. What can I do? Let me just, like, sell ask real quick on this, though. To, like, have less contracts in case it pulls back. Oh, you know what happened? Why I got stopped out? Why I failed that account is because I was probably up, like, 500. Yeah, and the trailing draw down. Yeah. Couldn't let it go up to, like, negative 2,000 then. Okay. I mean, I had a bad fill. Okay, let's see it. Squeeze up now. See if I can, like, pass this in one go. That's basically what I'm trying here. I can't read the chat right now. All I see is, like, OBS, just so you know. Like, I just don't see the chat. Okay, NQ, squeeze up. You got to pump it up. Rising up, straight to the top. Got the guts, got the glory. Went the distance, now I'm not gonna stop. Just a man and his will to survive. Alright, which one is like close? This one's kind of close. Oh my god. 10-15. It's like close to 3K right now. And which one is this? I think this is NQ one, right? Yeah, so I'm almost like... I think I passed this. It's going too fast for me. I think I can't let it go like down to drawdown now. Oh my gosh. Let me just make sure. Let me just see which one it is. Well, I passed it for like a second. Not anymore. I had too many. Alright, let me just okay, yeah, it's this one, the NQ one that's almost close to passing. Gotta be quick. Gotta be quick with it. It's gonna suck. If I like, if I fail these, it's gonna suck. It needs to squeeze. It's not squeezing. It's too boring. It's like just coming back up to here now. And how long have I been in this trade for, though? Not that long. Actually, I haven't been in this trade for that long. I'm just being impatient. So let's like wait a few more minutes. Also, it's like really close to passing right now, so holy crap. Where is that thing? Okay. If this gets to like 3,000, I gotta be quick with it. I should maybe take more partials. Oh well. Oh my god. Might fail it. But hey, it's the entertainment. Whatever the outcome of this trade is, we're gonna do the giveaway after. Now I'm back to plus 1,000, and I had it almost to plus. Oh, I failed this account because I let it come back too much. I'm not quick. Not quick with it. Not quick with it. But this one is still alive. ES. So I just had too much on here. Oh well. And ES is about to kill me too. Okay, it's fine. That's fine. Okay. Like I said, I was not quick with it. I think I had it passed. That's my struggle as a trader. I think is like I'm not like very quick. Oh well. That's life. I literally like maybe at the top it was at 3,000 in here. So honestly, right now, because it's like stalling so much in this breaker, I don't know. We'll see. We'll see if it ends up getting here. It's just gonna suck for my position or not. But I mean, look at the Dixie. It is starting to come back up. Like it came back into the daily fair value gap in this imbalance. So it's starting to go back up. So maybe that this was like the retracement before lower, honestly. So let's see the comments. You guys, I'm not particularly good at scalping, so yeah, Apex is for scalper. I know it is. I just got that's it. That I just wanted to see if I could pass in one trade, but I also just took too much sizing. So maybe I should try again. You guys, should I try again? I have like a bunch of I don't know. I'm not gonna try again on the same trade. I'll just see what happens because I don't like how long it's like taking in here, right? It's looking more bearish, you guys, and because it should have been like bounce and just go right and not give any time for people to get into longs. So now I think that this is more of a probably short here and then lower. But hey, I'm trying my hand at Apex. I did used to actually have Apex. I did get to pay out with them before my ACL surgery, and I didn't even realize, you guys, when I logged back in, I actually have 2 PA accounts left, but they are in drawdown. So we'll just have to do like one or nothing for that trade also. Yatin Sardana just says, please stop. You guys are funny. I mean, you guys voted for this on Twitter, though. You guys voted for this on Twitter. The way I actually passed these are like less than one, like, you know, taking the how I used to do it. You know, this is me promoting just bad habits. I do agree. But I'm just saying, we said that people on Twitter voted for this for entertainment purposes. I mean, I can feel it today. Okay, view and sheets. Here we go. Okay. More, you know, giveaways in the future. So give a like to the stream if you like giveaways or not. I mean, I try not to do like I'm trying not to do like too many, but like, hey, I want to give back to you guys. If a company is like, hey, let's give away some accounts, and I was like, okay, free accounts. But anyway, like I said, I actually know someone who took out $1 million from Apex, and essentially what he did was that he like treated every account like its own trade. But like I said, I think like he does do it in 2 trades, and then the trick was like once they get to like the paid account, the PA account, what he would do, like, he would also treat that as a singular trade, because he was like, oh, I paid $150 for the activation fee and $30 for that, so it's like $180 trade. And also you would try to do just in 2 trades, same kind of large sizing, because he would, and then after getting above the threshold, then that's when he would size down and like work on it small, like, and only lose up to $300 a day, like maximum on the PA accounts. Like once you have the PA accounts and you have that buffer, that's your actual money in there. And then he would take it seriously. So that's a little bit of a gem of knowledge that I know from someone who's done it. Again, I have not done that. For me, like I said, I literally said on stream, like, I'm not a scalper. So it made sense that this happened. So set your expectations. Looks like it's going lower now. It wasn't going lower before, now it is. So congrats. Let me see the comments. What is going on? What's going on? So, okay, we're gonna have to switch to members only chat. How do we switch to members only? There's so many. Let me do that. Thank you. I'm gonna have to switch to members only, you guys, because there's just so much spam happening right now. Okay. We had to switch to members only because I just don't know what happened. There was so much spam, unfortunately. Thank you, Hydra, for the donation. I appreciate you. We'll have to do a collab. Like, maybe I'll switch it to subscribers in a minute, but like, it's just so crazy right now. Yeah, we might switch it back. Okay, this is just really tough conditions. Like, even now, I think I would have messed that up. If I got into a trade first here. Okay, so it looks like that right now we're having like a high resistance push up higher. Tough trading there. High resistance push up higher. Okay, I might. No, don't switch it back. I don't know. We'll see. We'll have to see. I just don't know what was happening. Let me scroll back. Gold is getting well up. Okay, thank you. Yeah. I cut it off for the email, you guys. But I will on the to make sure, I will cut it out of the actual stream, so don't worry about that. Yeah, we're gonna make it a slower chat because let me see. That's what I can do. I can put on slow-mo. Customization, slow-mo on. You can only make a thing every, let's see, like 5 seconds. Okay, you guys, I'm turning it back on. But you get 5 seconds. Slow-mo's on. Okay, so what do you guys think for the rest of the day? I think I need more mods. It's, yeah. Welcome back, people. Maybe we should put it on for more. I don't know. I think 5 seconds is enough. Make it 10 seconds. Okay, there's so much. 10 seconds, I feel like it's a lot. Positive is skip positive. Okay, I'm gonna have to put in like... But anyway, the long is working out well. I just sized incorrectly, honestly. I sized incorrectly. What can I do? Not much. Size incorrectly here. But honestly, like I thought if it's a breaker in a fair value gap, it should be like really pretty quick, right? So the issue is like it's going because DXY is like up high. Apex is a futures broker, not an FX broker. Positive for Tanya. Yes. Anyway, customization. Maybe I'll put 8 seconds. I don't know. It's going pretty well now, right now. Okay, so let's look at this gap down. Huge gap down. Oof. For ES, let's look at the ES for a second. Like I said, that was my issue. I just sized too big. Oh well. Size too large. I didn't take it, or I didn't take... Honestly, it's okay that I sized big, but I should have taken, when I was like up to almost like 2K, I probably should have taken that off. And then just been like, okay, then in the next trade I'll pass. So I think like passing in 2 trades is a lot easier than passing in 1 trade. So that's all I'm gonna do next time. Oh well. Sometimes you can know the direction and still mess up. But again, like I said, like, yeah, I blew a few accounts, but they're like $30, so like I just know that's my weakness. I don't take profit quick enough. So let's see. DXY hit this. Now it's back in the fair value gap. Now it's coming down again. Yeah, looks like more longs are in order. Let's check out the chat. Suthi, we already know. Suthi, you can chill out too, I think. Like, we already set the expectations before. I told everyone what today was going to be like. I have a funded account with my funded futures that I passed yesterday, and I said, like, today I'm not going to touch it because I want to take literally some time to cool off. Like, I literally knew that today was going to be typically, honestly, I have this issue where the first time on a funded account I kind of started off in a drawdown. So hey, it's better. I literally knew myself to do some evals today and whatever. Singamon, what a question. And no. Yeah, Missy, for now. Curtis says do a profit trail stop at 1500, then you don't have to watch it. Oh. No, that's kind of smart. Kind of weird. You know, I need to see what that deleted message is, and then we will like just ban you, I guess. I don't know. Okay, it's just a trophy. Yeah, Catherine says it's smart to take a day off before starting funded. Yeah. Because I've just seen in the past, I get like eager to get into a trade and like get a profit, and then I started to draw down because of that. So NQ hit the buy side here. Okay. I mean, hit the target. I just was very click happy there. I was click happy. Where did I got it filled? I should have just I don't know. I don't know what I should have done. I don't know. Probably just size smaller. She looks I'm not Russian. It's kind of funny. Tanya Donska. Yeah, yeah, I don't know. Today is weird. We had such a let me see the RTH gap on NASDAQ. Right, we have this drop down here. We're below, yeah, we're way below yesterday's low for NASDAQ. For YM, we're above it. Yes, we're way below it. DXY is continuing higher. So honestly, if this is like this would be the short setup, but like developing soon. If it develops, we would have to see it if it even happens. But it looks like to me, right, we had the reversal at 10. Honestly, yeah, I messed up. I literally called this like over here. And I messed up. Let me see. Like I literally called that SMT. So that's kind of epic. That like I called the low and I still didn't make money. It didn't pass it. Oh well. So we'll see if this is like this is buy side. See what the reaction is. Nice job, Christian. Compare, you need 500 and pass. You're doing better than I am. But hey, I mean, I'm getting the hang of it. Honestly, I know some people that like fail like a bunch and treat it like that just so they can just get to funded quicker. And then, you know. But the thing is, like, when you do that, you have to make sure that like your mental, you can switch your mental like that. A lot of people can't. And then they just like end up doing the same thing. So it looks like it's just more continuation. I mean, because yesterday's low. Yeah, swing low, 22. Yeah. Okay, let's see here. If we close above this, that's going to be like a breaker on the higher time frame. This is a mitigation block. We'll have to see. Yeah, someone says that DXY is going to consolidate because it hit the top of because it hit the top of that fair value gap. Could do that, and then like continuation the afternoon. It hit this. Now it's like kind of bouncing between these two things. So it's Tanya, I called this. Whatever, it doesn't matter. Probably should have just taken it off here. Doesn't matter to me. ES hasn't been moving up as strong as NQ has. Today was a mess a little bit, but it's okay. So like I said, I am still bearish. I think today is like it's a failure swing. It's being created on the daily. So yeah, if I'm take another trade later today, or we'll see. Alfred Sokoli, you can't hedge. Trade smart, that's really funny. I don't know what happened. Eater Shap, I only need $180 to pass my 50k eval at Apex. I'm trying to be patient and wait for a great setup. Huh. Congrats. Yeah, I mean, yeah, you gotta, it is one of the harder accounts because of the trailing. I mean, if you don't like that, you can try the static. And whoever won, I'm gonna email you the code, and then and we're gonna be good. Yeah, the chat is less spammy now, right? What did I put for the, how many seconds did I put? Did I put 10 seconds? I just put 5 seconds and it's a lot better now. Do 5 contracts, do 15 contracts and go out quickly. Pampid, that's so funny. But I think we like witnessed that I couldn't even do that with 8 contracts today. Yeah, I do think that this is a retracement and lower. But I don't think like this is the end of the retracement, if that makes sense. Like I think it's gonna be a lot harder. Probably in the afternoon or during lunchtime is when they're gonna send it lower. Let's see on the 15, like where's the, let's see the 15. Right? Where's like the OTE on that? Like it shouldn't come back in here. So this is what I'm gonna use. Should I just go short, you guys? So can I explain static and trailing? So static is when like you make money and the drawdown just stays there. So they're 100k, I believe. Static is 625. So make the first trade like good because you don't have a lot of buffer, 625, and then if you once you make like $400, now you have 1,025 drawdown. Okay, but if you're doing the trailing, intraday trailing on Apex, then what happens is that while you're in the trade, the drawdown moves with you. So if you don't take profit well enough, and this is why the accounts are so cheap, I mean, and why you can have 20 accounts. But like once you, but it stops trailing after you get above the buffer zone for Apex. So once you get there, like you're good. But on the way there, you know, you can fail a bunch. Honestly, I just know that a lot of people just do that. They'll just buy a bunch of them because they're so cheap, and then take it more seriously after. But you should know your own mental and like, can you do that, or are you gonna instilling bad habits? Like today, I said that this is what I pretty much set that expectation. Like that's what we're gonna do today. Okay, so this is like the OTE, and DXY is going higher. On the 15, it's the OTE. Like it can dig again, it can just do nothing. Stalled here. Where's the 2.5 that I was thinking about? It would make sense if it comes back to like 1 to 1.5. Oh yeah, it did. Okay, Carol has asked, once you pass the profit target, Are you immediately funded after paying the one-time fee? Yes. Once you make money, you can withdraw. Yeah, after you get past the little buffer that they have. So then, let's say the 50Ks, right? I'll say an example because that's the most popular. That's what I'm doing. Today is funny. That's the most popular. That's what I'm doing today. And I'm just watching this OT and then I'm kind of tempted to get into short, you guys. Okay, so you get to the profit target 3,000, right? Then in the funded stage, you're still having the same trailing drawdown until you hit 2,600, right? Because your drawdown is 2,500. But once you get to 26 or whatever, for any other account, it's whatever that is plus 100. Then you're good. Then you're good. Then you can, you know, then that padding just stays there and you can withdraw twice a month on Apex. And they have some more rules about the withdrawals on their website. But like essentially I know a few people that have been very successful with Apex because they got the 20 accounts. And like I said, what they do, they just try to pass in one or two trades. I know someone that copies 20 accounts, 20 evals at a time, which is because he just wants to get them funded as quickly as possible. Which is hilarious. I mean, I guess it's not that bad because it's like, if it's 80% off, then you paid like $600 for 20 accounts. But then oh yeah, what I wanted to say, if you guys end up getting like 20 funded, from what I've heard on like the people that have been successful, like they do not copy all 20 at a time. They'll copy like in a batch of like 4 or 5 at a time. Oh, okay, we don't. Honestly, that guy is being weird. I just have to ban you because we have to. It's a little disrespectful. But anyway, today high resistance run higher, which made me lose out on my evals. I failed 2 or 3. I think 3, and then one of them is like down. Yeah, I failed. Oh no, I failed 2. Oh no, failed 3. This one I failed in profit because I was really. This one I could have passed if I was quick enough. It got to 5,300. That was my sign. I should have just taken that 2,000 off. But oh well. Like I said, that's something I can work on. Oh, I want to give a little tip. A pretty good website if you want to work on being quicker with like clicking in your mind, like exercising your mind. It's called Brain HQ. Okay, brainhq.com. At least today I could provide some entertainment. Okay. And if you sign up, I'm not getting paid, by the way, for this. I'm not getting paid for the giveaways I do either. I'm a free agent. Some other influencers, they do get paid by their by these firms. I get paid on a commission if you end up buying an account, but I also just like to do the giveaways. Anyway, I'm not getting paid for this either. It's something I actually was using. I think I will use. If you sign up with your email, you get like 1 free exercise a day. And let me just show you a couple things. If you want to start, right, choose an exercise. Yeah, I don't have the monthly. I just would do just one a day. I don't know why that's not working. Click the start button. It's not even here. That's nice. You have to like update my browser. Let me like log in real quick and then see. Log in because I have an account with them. Okay, let's just do one right here. My free exercise. Divided attention. It's an example of one. They have a bunch of exercises, one each day. Sort the objects into quickly and accurately as you can, but watch out, the rules change with every level. So this is something I think I saw as like a on Twitter as a pretty, someone else said it, like athletes warm up for their games, like, and this is how you can warm up your mental a little bit by processing things faster. Press the left arrow on your keyboard if the shapes or the figures are the same shape. If they're different shapes, press the right arrow. You have a limited time to respond, right? So it goes like this, right? So I'm like pressing different things. That was wrong. So it's like you gotta think quickly. And there's a bunch of different types of those exercises. So I thought I'd just share that in case anyone was interested. Yeah, I'm glad I didn't short because I do think it's just high resistance run up. Then maybe during lunch there's a continuation lower. I don't know. Like DXY is bullish, but we hit that fair value gap, and like you guys said, could just consolidate. Someone said rest in peace to those that shouted short. Thanks for coming, Christian. Yeah. I think they're gonna end it here, guys. Another L day for me, but at least not on any funded accounts. And I'm gonna keep this up, like, go ahead, roast me in the comments. I don't really care. I went to New York City public school my whole life, so not really much bothers me. But yeah, we're gonna wrap it up, you guys, and we'll see if there's a continuation afternoon or not. But mostly for me, I don't think I'm gonna, like I said, I'm not gonna trade on that funded account yet, until tomorrow at least. And I don't know, I might try my hand again tomorrow at some more Apex. I mean, can you blame me? It's my first day. Not really. But so good. Bye. I hope you guys are green today. And we'll see you back tomorrow at 9:15 a.m.